Alright people, as you can see, we're outside of the Walton Village apartments and I'm really freaked out right now, but I gotta go get my brother. So, you guys get to see full coverage of the storm. It's like, this is gonna be a really big storm. Like, compared to over there, that's dark. I'm kinda scared, in a sense. Like, I do not want to be out here, but my brother has got to come home. So, I'm gonna broadcast as I go. Rain. I'm just gonna broadcast as I go. So, you guys can see it here. This is pretty epic. Oh, shoot. You guys, we're walking down the hallway. Like, as you can see, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. And if I get caught in it with this camera, I'm gonna be pissed. But, as you guys can see, this is my home. According to the Storm Center, this is gonna be a really epic storm with hail and winds of up to 40 miles an hour. I really don't want to be caught out here. So, let's say we bring my brother home, shall we? Oh no! Damn it, Michael! No! Shoot! Okay, so he's not here, but I'm not gonna look for him because it's just stupid. But yeah, this is it. Epicness wrapped in a huge fucking cup. Like, I'm so not looking forward to this. I mean, you can hear the thunder and nope, not in there. You can see pretty much everyone's trying to get home, and if you listen closely, you can hear cars and shit in the distance. That means this storm is gonna be pretty fucked up, man. I mean, look at that. That compared to the back of the building is crazy. Say hi, you're gonna be on YouTube. Okay, so yes, those are neighborhood kids that I talk to. They're cool. They're cool little kids. Look at that. You see that? It's been rain, and I hope I don't get stuck in it. Although it looks like I might. Look at that. See, light over there compared to the dark shit that I'm over here. It's kind of stupid, but I mean, whatever. Oh. Look at that shit. Okay, so I got my camera wet. See, that's it. So, hope you liked my little adventure of epic proportions. And you will be. Oh shit! Okay, so I hope you liked our my little adventure of epic proportions, and I'll see you all after the rain clears.